everyone, my name is Arham and today I'm going to show you how to make a snowflake. First you'll need one paper and keep it this way, okay? Then you will need one scissor and you will need one cloth to put your trash on, but if you don't have one, use a bucket. But if you don't have a bucket, use a toy bucket. Let's start. Grab one corner and then I'm gonna fold it and then you do and then I'm gonna show you. See? Fold it like this. And then tab in from the sides here. Okay? Okay, that's good. Okay, you have done it. Okay, now you cut this. Okay, cut this in a straight line. Okay, now do it. See, when this is off, that means it's done. See? Now, do you have a triangle? And open it. You got a perfect square. Now fold it back into a triangle, how it was. And then cut little triangles from here, but leave one space from here. Okay?
No, it's not start.
So now let's start. Leave a space while you cut one triangle by one. Follow me. See? If you're done now you cut the done. You can finish till now. Now cut the little baby triangles. The triangles only, nothing else. Stop. If you're done with the bottom part like this, do the same thing on the side, but not from here. From here. Do it from here. Okay? Now, let's go. That one was a big one. This one is the medium one. Stop! Okay, if you're done, cut down the mini triangles you did on the bottom. There. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can make one every time you watch this video. See? Stop. Because mine is done. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Stop! Now, cut the triangles. If you're done, if you want to make baby ones, fold yours. Now, do this. Do your triangle. Now make this. Make tiny, 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 tiny triangles. 3 are enough. 1, 2, 3. Done. If you're done now, you can open it up and open up the triangle. Whoa! Look at this diamond. This snowflake eye. Next time you can do a video and show me. Bye.